If you or a family member are facing long-term care costs, you might be very worried about how much it's going to cost and whether or not it's going to eat up all of your money and possibly even your house being lost because of the long-term care costs. So people often think, well, what can I do to protect my house? Maybe I can sell my house to a relative and then, that will protect the house. And whether or not that will work really depends on what your situation is. Sometimes people say, well, I'll just sell my house for $10 to a family member. That's not a sale, that's a gift. And any gift done within 5 years of applying for Medicaid long-term care coverage is going to be a disqualifying gift. Or maybe you say, well, I just want to sell my house in advance to a family member so that I can still live in the house. And that's a possible strategy. I can't say whether that's a good or a bad strategy. Really depends on your situation. But what you need to keep in mind is if you actually sell your house to somebody else, it's no longer your house. So you could be forced to move elsewhere. I mean, maybe you sell it to your child and you think, well, that's a good, responsible child. But keep in mind that it makes your house vulnerable. What if your child is in an accident and they're sued for the accident, or maybe they divorce and the divorcing spouse now makes a claim to the house? So if you really want to make sure you protect your house, you protect your assets against long-term care costs, against nursing home costs, see an elder law attorney, somebody who does Medicaid applications. There's a lot of elder law attorneys, and some are very good at Medicaid strategies, and others won't even practice in that area because it's such a complicated area. So when you're looking for an elder law attorney to help you protect your house from nursing home costs, do ask them the question, do you do Medicaid applications? Are you familiar with them? And if you get a good answer and you feel like you trust that individual, then that would be the elder law attorney to help you.